Alright, man. So, it's the crack of dick. And,
It's the fucking crack of dick.
me and Adam have been talking. And we're thinking, Colby's really been trying hard with these videos.
Yeah, we got to keep him motivated, keep him moving forward. We were scoping his dream board. We were checking it out, you know.
Yeah.
Everyone's got to have their dream board. And guess what was on it? F***ing Genesis. So we said, F*** that. We're not allowing that. So we're going to pick him up a little car today. One that's in tune with our morals. AKA Small Wheels Forever.
We're gonna buy him an E30 because he's been trying really hard. You know, showing up on time and everything. And,
He really doesn't deserve this.
no, not at all. But we're buying him a car.
But we need content because we
Yeah.
need more subscribers.
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe because me and Adam are dropping way too much money on this car. So.
Bring up my man, your best. We make the beat.
Big surprise day.
We made it to the ferries, you know.
Our side of the ferry.
Yeah.
Made it across.
We got the iced coffees ready to go.
Yeah.
Got P-Boy along for the ride.
Hello.
He has no idea what's going on. He just knows we're going to go look at something.
You never play CSR Racing? It's like a drag race.
I don't know if these are supposed to help, dude. Like. Alright, since we live on this godforsaken island, we have to take this 2-hour ferry ride to get to the mainland to buy cars. Look at how ugly this is, man. Cue the cine. Cue the cine.
Cue it up, man.
Cue the cine.
Cue it up.
I just gotta keep pressing, keep getting better. I'm not where I want to be.
Alright, so we're pulling up on the spot now. What do you think? Buddy has no idea what's going on,
I
eh?
don't know what we're doing, man.
He thinks we're just coming here to...
He thinks we're coming here to look at a car.
Yeah, so Colby knows we're coming here to look at a car.
Shit, white diaper.
But he doesn't know what it is. Or what its purpose
What
is
could
gonna
it be?
New addition to the channel, though.
Yeah.
Gonna be lots of new content on this, and it's a type of car we haven't had. So shut the fuck up. Type of car we haven't had. New audience, maybe, you know. Better be subscribed because we're putting a lot of money out here on the line.
Yeah, it should be pretty fire. So Buddy should be pulling up at like probably 20 minutes.
Yeah, we'll just cook out here in the sun a bit.
Yeah.
Tan the old scalp, you know.
2 hours later.
Colby, you see that?
Is that my gift, bro?
That's for you, dude. That's Colby. That car's all yours, dude.
Dude, no way.
Surprise.
Is that my gift, bro?
Yeah, we got it for you,
It's
dude.
looking pretty fire.
You've been filming videos for us pretty good, so you know.
Dude, no way. So this is actually mine, boys?
Yeah, we bought it for you, man. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, I wanted some Euro trash content on the channel.
Yeah, we wanted to mix it up. We wanted, you know, having 2 coupes on the channel, we needed some variety. So, figured cameraman's filmed about 2 videos for us, and they've been absolutely terrible. But to show him we appreciate his minimal efforts, we bought him this car.
Thank you, moist boys.
And Colby also doesn't know anything about cars, so we're gonna be doing all the work to it.
Yeah, we'll be doing some mods, so stay tuned if you like friggin' Euro shit. Stay tuned if you don't like Euro shit. Who's actually smoking a cigarette down here?
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube. The best content that nobody subscribes to. 2 idiots with the camera getting fired up. Small wheels slamming everything with tires tucked.
Alright, we're back. At home. The homestay.
Long day.
Long day homestay. Hooray. We're back. Where are you going?
Dude, not
What
bad.
do you think of your present? So yeah, this is Colby's 1986 E30
325E.
that Adam and I just purchased for him.
We thought it'd be a good addition to the cars here because These are kind of similar. So we thought we'd get into the Euro stuff because we know some of you guys are Euro trash people. So
Yeah, we're trying to expand.
the horizons. Because
The horizons.
we're stuck in a route of 14K.
Yeah, exactly. It's not climbing. So we bought Colby a car because he's really trying hard on these, filming these videos and stuff.
Yeah.
Parkinson's, boys. Take it easy on
Yeah, anyways. 5-speed manual. We're not going to talk about how many kilometers it has. Pretty clean interior, a couple cracks in the dash, what can you expect? Got the Work Equip 01s.
14 by 8 in the rear, 14 by 7 in the 7.5 in the front. It's got Megan coils.
Yeah, the Megan D2 coilovers. It's got the, we've shown this probably like 20 times, but
Yeah.
Sickest mod.
6 mod around. It's got a red intake manifold to match the car because it's fire. Yeah, it's got this rear valance, I guess you'd call it, rear bumper.
Yeah,
rear
and the
skirt.
M-Tech front lip.
Yep.
Thing.
Yeah.
Which is zipped on pretty haggardly.
Zipped on just like mine. Got this fire vent for the cold air intakes.
Colby, what are the first plans for this now that we've had some time on the ferry to talk about it after you got surprised?
This has got to go. We need a
The
new
vent?
light.
Colby wants to put a headlight in there, some de-ricification. Front's got to come down a bit, am I right?
Yeah, you got to even out the slam.
At least 2 inches.
Got to
Yeah.
buff the paint, make her look good again.
She needs a little
There's a bit of oxidization here, but
Because I'm gum on the roof.
the rear quarters polished. Get out of the studio.
Shift knob,
Yeah.
lower the front, fix the paint,
Light apart.
fix the fitments a little
fart.
bit on this. Polish up your wheels, dude. Colby's talking about maybe potentially in the future doing an M50 swap, so we'll see if he's bullshitting us or not on that one.
Probably is.
100%.
No cap.
This is by my calculations, Colby has about $0.
Negative.
Even though we bought the car for him,
Yeah.
I don't know how that works, but yeah, thing's pretty tits. Drives decent. We gotta fix the E-fan.
There's a bunch of little stuff we gotta fix.
Mm-hmm.
Colby's also never driven manual, so we gotta teach him. We'll teach him in a video. That'll be fucked.
we'll
He'll
make a
absolutely
video.
destroy the. That's gonna be funny.
Yeah, clutch is gonna be gone.
Yeah.
Colby's gonna have to have a new clutch on order, man. We're fully gonna just absolutely gump the clutch. Yeah, thing's pretty tits.
Yeah. Okay,
Looks good.
Colby. Should we cut to a little city?
Yeah.
The car sitting here.
Yeah.
Okay, cut to a little city. Colby, first you say thank you.
Thank you, moist boys.
You're welcome. Making dreams come true. Hey?
Better if I can actually fucking show up on time now.
That white spot burger's really hitting you, eh?
Okay, I'm gonna do a little scene.
All right, little city. See you later. Comment, like, subscribe.
Alright, so you think it's sick? Drop a like, sub, comment your favorite Euro car. Don't be heinous, man.
Yeah, don't be heinous.
Friggin' schmods.
Yeah, because Adam and I fully just purchased this car for Colby, and shit wasn't cheap,
Please
so.
buy some merch. August 3rd, the drop is coming. Look at this fire.
Yeah, dude.
Boys will try to hit a million K up on they YouTube. The best.
Don't want to be as fire as these friggin' jalapeno cars.
We need some subs, some ad revenue, and some merch sales.
We need some subs just to make our
Dude,
egos bigger.
$1 a sub, man.
Cause like if we have micro penises but we have 20K subs, evens out. Don't put that in the video, but like
we'll cut it out. All right, Skidoo. Stay tuned for some E30 content. Yeah. Fucking catch a. Yeah, turn on the notifications. We'll catch you in the next one, Skidoo. Come look at it, dude.
Take a look. Too much money for this thing.
at least it was a gift.
Yeah, we bought it for him.
No one, Adam bought it for me.
You paid too much.
I don't even know how much you paid, dude.
Yeah.
We didn't pay anything. We bought it for him.
It doesn't even have a radio.
Radios are for losers.
Feel the shifter. Feel how sloppy it is. It's pretty mint. What?
What's wrong with it?
Everything. Look at this mod,
Brakes don't
Dad.
work.
Dad, look
Yeah,
at
look at
this.
this mod. This one's for you.
This is the slickest thing about it.
Come go.
Fucking works too. Yeah. It's tits, dude.
Right by the gas.
Yeah,
gas
that's
tank.
what you want. That's it.
Does the sunroof work?
Probably not.
It's manual.
manual.
So it should work.
Good purchase or what? What do you think?
I don't know.
No, it's trunk space.
Looks like you got some work to do on it.
Look at all that trunk space, man. Put like 3 bodies in there.
Got some free wood too.
Get free sunglass case too. Any free sunnies?
So this was just automatic before, and you changed it to a.
No, I think it's always been manual.
No.
I don't know. I know the diff ratio is super fucked in it.
What do you mean?
Super short gear ratio. And the tack doesn't work. Is what you want, but we'll figure it out.
You paid for the rims and tires, not the car.
Pretty much.
Yeah, basically. Nicer. Nora Colby's.
I'm having a hard time right now.
Wow, because it's so shit.
Shit.
Everything's crooked on this one.
What, the nose isn't crooked?
Mine's fucking zip tied together, man.
Nose is quite straight.
You can probably adjust that though. It's like your hood. It's all crooked.
Everything's on crooked, Michael.
Mine's extremely crooked.
Nothing fucking fits right. Alright, so the camera died, but we figured we'd get this on camera. Colby's first attempt at driving stick. So we'll see how she goes. Adam's in there, wingman, trying to teach him how to fucking get her going. We'll see how it goes. All right arm, buddy, right arm. Holy shit. He started out strong. I don't know what's going on.